when you entered as a freshman, I was entering my final season as your head football coach. The end of a dream for me and Virginia Tech, and the beginning of a new chapter for you. Memories that will last a lifetime. I've walked through that tunnel
She says she's
between player and coach here 191 times. And to look out and see the stadium rocking, the inner Sandman, it was a sight to see.
straight across. You see
But today I can honestly say I'm probably more nervous than any game we ever played here. I hope my message to you gives to each of us just one more victory together and one more memorable trip through that tunnel.